Welcome to the Firebase Realtime Database Crash Course by etc. In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple, native, Android project and integrate Firebase in our application. We are going to implement the basic CRUD operations in our app using Firebase Realtime Database. Firebase Realtime Database is an NoSQL cloud-hosted database developed by Google. Data is stored as JSON and synchronized in real time to every connected client and remains available even when your app goes offline. In this crash course, we will be creating a simple app called Quotology. We will read the quotes by famous philosophers from our database. Add new quotes in the database. Update existing quotes in the database. And finally, delete quotes from our real-time database. In the upcoming videos, we will create a new Android project. Integrate Firebase in our project. Perform, create, read, update and delete operations in the database. Further, we will learn how to structure our data, manipulate lists of data, sort, and filter the data. Listen for changes and events in the database and persist the data offline with Firebase Real-Time Database. Let's get started.